Hello everyone and welcome back to Click. In today's video, we are going to discuss lessons from management failures. Understanding where management can go wrong is just as important as learning the principles of success. By analyzing past failures, we can identify key lessons that help us avoid similar mistakes in the future. Let's dive into some important case studies and the common issues that lead to management failures. First, let's look at the value of case studies. Analyzing real-world management failures offers deep insights into what went wrong and why. These case studies serve as examples of what not to do in leadership, planning, communication, and risk management. Learning from others' mistakes is one of the best ways to improve and avoid similar issues. Now, let's explore some of the common issues that often lead to management failures. Poor leadership. One of the most critical reasons for failure is ineffective leadership. Poor decision making, a lack of vision, or failure to inspire a team can significantly hinder an organization's success. Lack of planning. Without proper planning and strategy development, organizations can drift without clear direction. Insufficient planning leads to missed opportunities, inefficient operations, and failure to achieve long-term goals. Then, ineffective communication. Clear and effective communication is crucial in any organization. When there is a failure to communicate, misunderstandings arise, and teams may not be aligned with the company's objectives. Then, inadequate risk management. Many management failures stem from the inability to identify and mitigate risks. Organizations must anticipate potential risks and have plans in place to address them. Otherwise, they could face unexpected challenges that derail progress. Then, ignoring feedback. Lastly, management can fail when it ignores feedback from stakeholders, whether employees, customers, or investors. Not addressing feedback leads to unresolved issues and growing discontent, which can severely damage an organization's reputation and effectiveness. In summary, learning from management failures teaches us what not to do, whether it's poor leadership, lack of planning, ineffective communication, inadequate risk management, or ignoring feedback. Understanding these common issues helps us become better managers and leaders. By studying past failures, we can build stronger, more resilient organizations. Thank you for watching. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons on management and leadership. I'll see you in the next video.